am genius? Are you incapable, insolent, indescribable, unbearable? I'm your neighbor from down the street. I bring you those carrots you asked about. Personally, I don't think a stew is a stew without carrots. What kind of stew is it? Rabbit ear stew. Very good, too. I'd love to stay for lunch, but I seem to be all tied up this morning.
Oh, you're staying for lunch, aren't you? You are lunch. What kind of wine would be good with wild game? You are game, don't you?
Oh, I'm game, all right.